So I turned on the printer, went to print, got a message. Replace toner. Here at the top of the unit, they provide info, genuine toner, standard, high yield. On each side, they have a little grippy, and with the unit on, pull out, exposes the toner cartridge. Simply pull up and out. To remove the toner cartridge, the drum, push down. I chose the high yield. I'll put a link in the description. Amazon. Directions provided in the box. Nicely wrapped. I don't see a pull tab. It's probably in the instructions. Remove all orange items. Here's brother facing. There we go. It's ready to go in. Brother facing you. You don't have to force it. Just slides right in. Now we want to run this 3 times. It cleans the barrel. I imagine if you went more than once, it wouldn't matter. Then return to where it was. Clicks in place. Same here. It has guides that just slides right in. And you can check it by pulling back and forth. It's latched in. And when I close this, it should reset, possibly print. Receiving data. So, I have some sensitive info coming out. Oh. The print is good. I'm just using this as an example. All right. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone. If you like watching home improvement videos, I'll provide a link